Hey everyone, welcome back to MainnetMove. In this video, we'll set up our development environment from scratch. We'll install the Aptos CLI, SUI CLI. We'll set up our folder structure and finally deploy our first Hello World module on both the chain. So let's jump right in. So first we'll install the Aptos and SUI CLI. For Aptos we have pre-installed Aptos and for SUI we have pre-installed SUI. So I've already have them on the system. Then after this you'll be all set for the CLI part. Well, the CLI is a core tool that will help us compile and test moves smart contracts. These help us to interact with our account, deploy modules and publish packages on chain. So next up we have to set up our Aptos and SUI folders. Same for the SUI. Now we will initialize our account. Aptos init. Choose testnet. It will automatically generate a key pair for you. Same we have to do for SUI also. The account type we got a key pair for SUI also. Make sure you fund these account on testnet with some testnet so that when you publish the packages you get no errors doing so. Now we'll set up a folder structure for Aptos. So we'll create a folder for sources. Same for SUI. Hello.move and hello.move. We'll set up our move toml file. Same for the SUI. Well, now before we start writing code, let's quickly talk about one very important file, the move.toml file. You can think of move.toml as the project configuration file for your move package, just like package.json and JavaScript or cargo.toml in Rust. It tells the compiler everything it needs to know about your project. The package name, where your source code lives, what dependencies you are using, and what address your modules will be published under. Okay, so first we'll write our Aptos code. We have to replace this with our wallet address or the module address and public function. Yeah, all set. So here move is different from most languages. In move you can just write strings like hello laptop. Move is all about safety and explicit types, so string must be prefixed. We have two approaches to do so. First is the vector approach, which we are using right now, but which one is the easiest one, and second one is the string type approach that is the better option and more used by the professional code. Here B is the prefix that creates a byte string and we can change the return type to vector weight. because that what we understand at the low level. We'll use the same code in the SUI also. Let's set up a move.toml file. Package name version and addresses. We'll pass our address here or Aptos, and we can change it with it. Hello. What was it? Yeah, good. Now let's try compiling it. Aptos move compile. Okay. Oh, I got cd dot dos. Now try compiling it, and we have successfully compiled our module. Now try publishing it. Aptos move publish assume yes, and here we go. We can see that we got our explorer link and module successfully published on chain. Cool. Let's move to SUI. Well, you can see that both codes look almost identical. That's the beauty of Move. It's portable across both the blockchains. We have just to set up the move.toml file. It's same as we have for Aptos. We just have to update the address here, and yeah, here too. So move, yeah, that's it. Now we have to compile it first. So you move build. All set. I'll move working, and now we have to publish it. Client publish gas budget. Good. We got this error here, failed to publish the move module. So let's understand why we got this. So here is the main cause of the error. This is a key difference between Aptos and SUI. In Aptos, you can specify your module address ahead of time or use named address that resolved to a specific value. But in SUI, when you are publishing a new package, you must use 0x0 as the address. Here's why. Well, SUI uses an object-based model. When you publish a package to SUI, the blockchain automatically generates a unique package ID for you. You don't choose it. So you assign it based on the deployment transaction. So during deployment and publishing, we use 0x0 as placeholder. So we'll just simply replace it, and we'll try it again. Cool. All set. You can see that published. We got package ID, senders, everything is great, working fine. And that's it. You have officially deployed your first move modules on Aptos and SUI both. And there you go, your full move development environment is ready and your first module is live on both Aptos and SUI. Well, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you got your setup running. Thank you.